Okay, my people. So we're on the last lap. We're going to give you guys the Kensington tour. Okay, the Kensington Market tour of downtown Toronto. There's going to be a separate video because I just want to do something separate for Kensington Market. So this is the Kensington Market tour. I'm still downtown Toronto, and yes, everybody who just are tuning in and everything like that, I'm giving you guys the Kensington Market tour. And please tune in, please like up the video them, please check it out, please like, share, subscribe if you've been liking the content I've been dropping. Okay, my people, down to my mic them so all dead out, everything I dead out, my people. But right now we're just gonna walk over to Kensington Market right now and make you see how the area look and what kind of food them have there. What that place are really more offer is the food and the vibe around here. So a lot of people just come around here so to vibe out, chill, enjoy the evening and eat some different type of cuisine, type of food. You understand? So everybody just thanks again for just keep on liking, sharing up the channel, and if you enjoy the content, you know, my people, like I say, this is the 416 side of the vlogs. You understand? When we're back down in Jamaica, we're going to the what? The 876 side. But I have to do the job for them side here. So right now, my people, you know what? Which side I go up on? I go up on the main street. Although this is a Kensington Market right here, so you know. If you look over here, so this is Kensington Market, you know. But they have a next street over there, so I want to go and show you from that vibe, that party. So over here, so now to my people, this is a hood, like the ghetto, the slums. I don't really want to go over there. So this is where a lot of the ghetto youth them live, like the Spadina badness them. I can't remember the name of the area, but there's a lot of Somalians live over the area, and a lot of bad breed people, bad breed white people, and bad breed because it's a ghetto, right? This is the downtown ghetto right here, so you know, my people. This is, I can't remember the name, but I know them have them little gang and thing over here, so also, but I don't remember the name of them name. This is again, I say, all the place stay over here, so you know, they have a pool over there, you know, but this is a local ghetto area. A lot of crackheads and a lot of shooters and a lot of them things over here, so. Remember, say anyway you have all free cheap housing, they always have the little vibe here. Yeah, man. Ain't no good. So like me, some people, if you guys want me to show you a video with all the bad areas in Canada, in Toronto, which part me there right now, you guys just let me know, drop a comment below, and we'll go videotape it. You understand? That is it, you know, my people. But right now, people, we're approaching Kensington Market right now. I want you to enjoy it and go and stay tuned to the vlog. You don't know, you still gonna hear my voice over, still gonna talk. I just want to see how Kensington Market look, and this is a different part. And people, my foot are hot up, you know, man. Like try run just earlier, and my foot and I really spraying back, you know. But you know, I've been walking from the first videos. I've been walking, you know, my people. But right now, I'm gonna show you how Kensington Market look. So this is Kensington Market, my people. Something different around here. So this is a different type of vibe, you know. There's a lot of hippies and them type of people mostly live around here, so yeah. But check it out, my people. Go and check it out. Go and check it out. So now that I come down to the evening, a lot of outdoor bars and vibes around here, so yeah, man. You can bring your girlfriend and girls, I can bring your people, man. You know? We want to have a good evening. A lot of people walk down here, so come enjoy themselves on a good evening and stuff like that. Over the next time I show you, I have a lot of food places. This is a nice cultural park also over here, so walk up to the park. You know? And Mr. People, a lot of Chinese people live over the park here, you know. Like a Chinatown area where there, a lot of Chinese own them, the building them around here, so too. Yeah, man. Oh, live on the homeless thing now. Homeless thing I get bad to worse right now, no people. I'm going to videotape it. Watch me, I'm walking on a circle still. Video, we have video Kensington Market. This is last video I do for the day and go home. I walk through the park, yeah, man. Watch out, my people. This is Kensington market, you know, my people. Be your homeless things are going right, so. Watch it. So, let me tell you, it's hard out here for a lot of people. It's hard. Hard everywhere. Remember, you know, pan film skin color white, that, you know, my people. So, if white people are there, were born and grew here, people are not go through the hard them things. Imagine the poor one and two immigrants, them. You understand? We come here and have to suffer. You understand? So all of them things you have to looking at, you know, people and looking at themselves say, yo, it's hard everywhere. So if a man or a woman overseas,
I go down.
I send you $50 or $100, be grateful for it. Because they need that to do it. Because over here so hard, same way.
I go down on the beat. I go down on the beat. I go down on the beat. I go down on the beat.
The outdoor bars. A lot of outdoor stuff. It's an Italian pizza place right here. Like a ton of. Yeah, man. So it's a lot of food places around here. So a lot of people come around here for a lot of eateries and stuff like that. Just vibe out. Yeah, man. So right now it's not packed up. I wish me that I come back down, and if you want me to come back down here a different day when it's full of people, that's on the weekend. We have a lot of activities, a lot of outdoor stuff are going. A lot of outdoor bars, you know, my people. This is where you want to come and just vibe out and chill out. You know, you just walk. That's it, you know. Everybody just around here and them just walk. I have a man right there, so I bring him own stuff them and I sell out him stuff them. Yes, so daddy, I bring him local brand. Yeah, I bring him stuff them. There, man, that's go and do a vlog, you know. Bless up yourself here. Alright, daddy. Yeah, man, see, natural fruits and stuff like that, you know. People them around here, just like Jamaica, you can just come on the street side around here, so, and sell out your things, them, you see it. And vibe out. But right now, people, we are going in here, so we'll get some Mexican barriata or whatever they want name, but I try them, I'll get 3 tacos I need right now, a chicken, a beef, and a shrimp one I will get right now. So we'll go in at the place. So this is how the place looking at my people. This is the taco place. So I always get my taco over here. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna show how the taco them look when we get mine. So yeah, people. So right now we're just about to get the tacos. So I have to wait. So I'm gonna walk around to the next side that I haven't shown you guys, and make you just check out the place, you know. It's gonna be a nice quick one. It won't be a long video, because when we reach up back to the streets, I just say the video done, right? Next part now, round to the next side of Kensington Market. Like most of the people, today is not packed up, but it might be packed up later, just because it's hot today, you know. So you might see a lot of people come around here. So today, right when I said them have a Jamaican spot to sell jerk chicken and Jamaican patties. So them have ugly delicious. Alright, so the flaming vintage place. You can come get your vintage stuff them. Gallery art studio. You understand? So a lot of different stuff that can come around here, so, and get. But you see the place is not too bad. You see it. You have Sea Kings. Like you can get seafood or something over this, so I don't know. But Yeah, you know, it just more of a, around here it's a chill vibe type of place. So just do what you want to do. You see? Blessings, blessings. You see like how them over there just do them things. Around here it's like, I say, around the uptown area, you see around Kingston. You see around like downtown Kingston when I have the craft places. And you just do your own type of vibe, you understand? No police no trouble you around you so like that. Because police them don't know. You see it, but see the illegal activities and things, you don't know them are coming on. But yeah, this was the street I was showing you from the next side. I should have showed you guys. But there's not a lot going on down here today. There's not a lot of people today. Okay, let me walk down to the Green Pea and then turn back around. So the Kensington market people. Dirty chicken waffles, you know. So like I said, people around here say it's just a chill spot, chill vibes type, like a area. You understand? Everybody just a vibe out, do them own thing, not mix with nobody. And a lot of cheap knockoff stuff them usually have around here so too. But I don't think them have them no more because you don't know them get raid. A lot. Over here so not too bad too, you know. Want your jacket them whole time western type of jacket. Rasta Pasta Bar. Never heard this place before. There's a Rasta Pasta Bar lounge right here. Probably them have Jamaican food or something there. But you don't know. Yeah, Rasta Pasta. Never heard of it before. Yeah, see, Jamaican Italian cuisine. Yeah, so you could check it out if you come around here, some people. Never hear about it before, Rasta Pasta. Yeah man, never hear about it before still. We should have buy some food here before. But then you come down to the local food spot. You have a barber shop around here so also. Like a barber shop and stuff around here, you know. So again, my people, it's just like a chill spot, chill vibe, chill area. Just come and do what you want around here, so type of vibe. See man, I'm ready to sit down and smoke and you see it, it's a chill out area, you see it? Graffiti on wall. Or it's a nice to shoot like music videos them. Or even take like a street side photo shoots and stuff. Nice to pretty girl in front of me, you know. But I want one of them, but I'm a Christian. Leave them alone. Nice little area, man, you know. I'll go back through around here, so hopefully it take me back around to the next road, you know. I really like go through the alleyway them. But again, even around here, so now that'd be nice to all dance as a dance. Yeah, man. Never go around here so before, you know. So let's see what's around here. I don't know if them have no exit. Yeah, no exit not really around here. So I have to go back to the front, my people. So stay tuned. I'll go back around on the front so I can get my food, show them the food, walk up to the ending, and then we're going to end off this vlog for Kensington Market. But I don't have to show them every part of Kensington Market before I leave, because I promised in this vlog a long time now, and then just I get it. So that is it. So thanks again everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel, and make the youth go and strive. You see it? So to continue to move on. People might not come on, but people who just got the food, I'm gonna park up and show you the food quick time and finish up this vlog on Kensington Market. Can I show it on this car? Let me just show you guys quick time how these tacos look. Check the taco out, my people. This is Kensington Market, my people. Check that out. Nice, delicious tacos, my people. Sprinkle some lime over that. Yes, man, my people. You know you amount of water for it, you know. You know you want some, you know. Yeah, man, I know you want some, man, but you have to go finish up the vlog first. One thing. So now, still on Kensington Market with people deciding up at the top side. Like I said, on the weekends, people, this place is jam-packed, filled with a lot of people, like super duper ram pack. Can't even drive properly, can't walk properly. You understand? This is Kensington Market right here. Like, I'm sorry if you like people, like I said, if you want me to come down here for one of the busy days, you let me know. I will take my time. Look at this old ride. This is classic, you know, my people. Classic Benz that, you know. Classic, you know. Oh, hats and stuff, you know. Big fat burrito boys, you know. Okay, Bagels place. Art design on the street. Them like when I said this remind me of the craft area downtown with the alley them paint up and stuff. Yes man, so the place took a lot. Like I said, it's mostly food places down here. Mostly food places and craft stores and stuff like that, and bars, outdoor bars for come chill at and stuff. So mostly that you're gonna find here. So if you come down to Kensington Market, like I said, on the weekends, a lot of people just chill outside and vibe out, and they always have some nice events going on too. Upon the car here, this car is a staple for Kensington Market. Yeah man, this car is a staple for Kensington Market. It's been here for years. The government said them now move it. Them say it's a staple. Cause I think them would advise them to move it, and them don't move it. So check it out, man. So people might start relax now. It's like you're on vacation, you know. So that's a lot me I say with a lot of people within our city where people pay for come vacate and we not vacate. You understand? We are pay for go leave the city. When a lot of stuff there for doing, you know, my people. But people now see it. People rather leave the country to go have fun. When you can have fun, I see them say in Jamaica, a whole heap of place there for go hang out in Jamaica, you know, for free, you know. You understand? And enjoy yourself like a tourist, you know, but them not see it. Them not see it, you know, my people. Them rather go a different country, go spend your money. Whenever you spend it in your own country. See them people, lots and lots of bars. Everywhere you go, you'll see bars, on top of bars. You see, so everybody just have fun. Man over there just a bunny giant. Just a go and vibe out with life. A lot of bars again. Lots and lots of bars. This is a vibe. You see it? So, this is what Kensington Market have to offer you, my people. This is Kensington Market. Alright, now Halloween time I come up this end of this month and stuff. So on my buddy's place, Tacos. I don't see him over there today. In the evening time, this is packed up, but like I said, it's a Wednesday. It's kinda dead out. But this is the end of Kensington Market. I think one more traditional spot a lot of people always remember about this convenience store. Let me go show it to you guys. It's like a staple too in downtown Toronto. Let me show you this spot quick time, and then I'm gonna head out to the subway station. So this is the famous Sam's food and grocery 24 hours. I'm gonna take a wide shot. This is the famous Sam's convenience store. It's like back in the days, a lot of the ghetto or hood niggas them used to par around here, so, and the musician them, and yeah. So this is where it ends, you know, my people. Kensington Market. And that's about it, you know, my people. I'm gonna turn about this now. So thanks again for everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and I push the youth, you know, my people. Thanks, you know, my people. You see that? I'm going on a full day of walking up and down for my broken leg. One full day I'm walking around, you know, my people. So I put out the content. You see it? So like I say, my people, I'm going to try to put out 3 videos a week right now. Or we'll still do 2. But as I push the content, like I say, people, at the 416 side, I'm just going to really push the narrative to 416. But we still have to do house video them same way. And we still have to do the we still have to walk and talk same way, you know, my people. On a lot of topics same way, you know, you see it? And I think the next video I'm going to put out a material courses again. Because material still a go up over there, you know, my people. So don't get it twisted, cause Jaja God, man. But thanks again, people. I just wanted to like, share, subscribe to the channel. This was a Kensington tour of downtown Toronto also. So 3 different videos. I know I get enough. But over the weeks though. That is it, you know, my people. People again. Thanks again, you know, my people. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy, Director J. 416-2876 what? Jamaica. I am out.